Okay, welcome back. Briefly, we're going to be talking about phrase and formatting tags in HTML. Um, in HTML, okay. So, what are the formatting tags? Formatting tags helps you to put your text inside the body tags. That you've created in a proper way. Take for instance, you have a body. The body is closed. You have a table which is equals to, let's say, 400 pixels. Open and you close it. Table. Then you have the table row. You close the table row. Table row. You open another table row and you close that table row. That means you have two table rows. Table rows are just like rows. You have one row and you have another row. That means you have two lines that you can write on. This is a table. But inside the table row, you have a table data. That is where you actually write on table data and you close the table data. Okay, for you to use a bold, if you write hello and you want to make this hello look very bold, what you just need to do is write B, tag B, this, you open it, this is what I mean, and you write the hello inside and you close it. Hello, you close the B. What this does is that it actually makes this looks like a capital letter. It emphasizes it by deepening the texture of hello compared to what other things that you're going to be writing. Now, if you say itemized, this is itemized. Remember, we're talking about formatting tags. Itemized tag. If you put this as itemized hello, then you close the itemized tag. What that is going to do for you is just going to make your tag to look a little bit of slanty, italics. It makes it looks italic. Um, Let it have a feature of being an italics writing. Do you understand? So when you have it turns your lettering to an italicized lettering. Now, when you say you are using underline sometimes it's mostly written like this. Underline. I think I've written in the last lecture we have underline you tag, open and close. Then you now say hello. What it's going to do is that it's going to write the hello and you're going to put a line under it. The same thing, strike through tags means that if you write it like this, T T hello, what's going to do is that it's going to write the hello and it will rule over it. Superscript means that you should raise it up. It's going to, even if you have 4 and you say super 2 close super, it's going to write 4 raised to power 2. That's what it's going to give you. And so on and so forth. Inserted Formatting tags is the same thing as saying ins for, and you close it. The ins for. If you write, the same thing goes for delete tags, delete, delete tag. So what it's going to give is delete, then it will rule it over. Okay, so these are all these tags, and all these tags I've been talking about are all formatting tags. They can use it to format the words in which you are working on. Now I'm going to be showing you uh, a phrase tag. I'm going to just mention one or two phrase tags so that you know when you come across it, you know that this is a phrase tag. Please note that knowing HTML will help you to be enterprising later in future. So it's very important. You can even create your own business from it. The OES that you are looking at today is created from HTML. I'm not working for anybody, but because I have the skill. So if you can do the same for you, it's going to create value for, and you're going to be helping and saving a lot of problems in the country instead of allowing somebody to come from outside the country and dominate your money. So now let me quickly talk about the phrase tag. I'm going to be picking emphasis. Emphasis tag, it's part of the phrase tag that we have. And if you want to make, if I want to emphasize Lagos, all I need to do is say EM, put Lagos inside, then close EM. What is going to write it like is going to darken this Lagos when it's going to write it. Lagos, and slant it. Then marked or strong is the same, they are all close to this. If I want to darken strong, it's like making the word bold. Lagos, then close it, strong. Another thing goes with marked. This is close mark. This is close to delete tag. Mark, and I can write Lagos inside, then close mark. Okay, so this is all about the phrase and the formatting tag. You can read more about it to get to know about it, but all these tags that we're talking about is going to be very useful inside the body tags of HTML. Then table close. Everything comes inside here. Thank you. This is all we can take on the phrase and the formatting tag for today. Thank you very much.